Mirurungano ya Gen Z ya gutetia mwathanire muru thirikari-ini yacugiririe makiria ma andu 60 gute mioyo yao, magana ma andu magitigwo na nguraro na makiria ma andu 50 matiwekaine kuria mari nginyagia umuthi uyu. Aingi ao ari mbeũ njĩthĩ. Mũtongoria wa kiama kia NARC Kenya Karua agikumithia thirikari ya President William RUTO ni gucokia bururi matuko-ini ma kuiga muingi na hahu.
The RUTO regime appears hell-bent on stifling dissent and any enjoyment of civil liberties by citizens. Police have arbitrarily arrested and detained hundreds. Some later released without charges after spending nights in the police cells, and others being arraigned in courts on trumped-up charges, ostensibly to intimidate and inflict maximum fear in the population.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, Karua augite maabitha a borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiru mirurungano-ini ya ica ikuhi hamwe na thirikari gukorwo ikiagarara mawatho ma IGOTI nikionereria kiiganu kia uria mutongoria wa bururi agiire KIENE GATIBA.
It appears it's not only the Bible he put down, it's also the constitution that he cast aside. He cast aside the constitution and the rule of law. The law enforcement agencies, more specifically, the National Police Service, have blatantly ignored court orders. We have seen arbitrary arrests, detentions, and arraignment in court on trumped-up charges.
Bica cia maabitha a borithi aria mahuthirire hinya mukiru kuhende ya mirurungano ino ni ciakorirwo igitamba nenda-ini na nginyagia muthi uyu honge iria ciagiriire citigana kumatacukiria makinya. Karua akihinyiriria no nginya kihoto kihanike, akihita guthitanga thirikari kuri honge cia kimabururi.
We are waiting for officers who are known, whose faces were widely circulated in the media. Some even their false numbers were circulated. We will not hesitate to call out these violations on the continental stage and on the international stage, especially in the light of the increased, or rather, of the state having reverted to its default status. When will they be brought to account?
Ciegi haria mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO rugameire, Karua gwakinyiriirie guthii na mbere gutetera muingi ari kiama-ini kia NARC Kenya gutekumakania kana mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga ni kunyita itemi mihang'o-ini ino kana ndekunyita riri kiama kia NARC Kenya kiriga kweyeheria kuma ngwataniro-ini ino.
Whether or not our brother Raila goes to the AU, and we wish him well that he gets the job, the position doesn't change. He remains here, we still remain a voice. He goes, we still play our role. So our being in the opposition is not predicated on the presence or absence of our brother.
Muthenya wa ira Odinga nyaraniriire gwithamba moko uteti kwa ihinda riri niguo ekirire kambeni ya kuhitahitanira giturwa kia muikariri giti kanju-ini ya urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Africa AUC.
I'm not going to be very active in Kenyan politics henceforth, as I continue now to focus my attention on the continental campaign.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.